everyone. We are here in the beautiful city called Belgaum. This is month of August, wherein we celebrate our national festival, Independence Day. Myself, Trupti Maitri, and my crew, we are here to check what folks of Belgaum think about their freedom and society. So come, let's check. Hey guys, I need your 2 minutes. Okay, so this month is of August, Independence Day. So what it means to you guys?
Freedom.
Freedom money?
Freedom, live free, do anything we want.
Freedom means actually within the constitution law, anybody can express their views, anybody can have their dress, anybody can do anything as a like. But that should not hurt the feelings of society at large. Okay, that's what according to my views.
Freedom के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है?
It is good to have freedom now.
So do you think you have right now freedom?
Yes, not that much, but compared.
Partially. Okay, हिसाब से क्या है?
I'm already free.
Free.
Yes.
अब में कुछ भी restrictions नहीं है. घर जल्दी आओ बेटा. नहीं.
हाँ, घर पे जल्दी बुलाते हैं.
So what is that? That is freedom for you?
That is care of my parents for me.
Okay, lovely.
And no,
Nothing.
I'm happy enough.
और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं.
So what exactly freedom means to you?
Freedom means, well, you can say openly one can think about whatever is going on and thinking. And people बोलते जो भी अपना रह सकते हैं खुद से खुद रह सकते हैं freely, independent type and all. That's what independence means exactly.
So are you really free right now in a free state?
Yeah, you can say a 50-50%, right? Because still I am under my parents' guidance. I have not started my independent life yet. So you can say when I'll be looking forward my jobbers, I can be saying more self-independent when I work around it.
Okay, so
Freedom.
क्या है freedom?
मेरे तो it's like enjoy my life.
For me, freedom is like dressing the way I want and not judged by the society.
So आपको अभी मिल रहा है कि नहीं freedom?
नहीं.
Okay, what?
According to freedom, freedom is I should be able to express myself completely. I should be able to live without any pressure from anyone. And government laws must be useful. They should not be bothersome.
Freedom bola to express as you want, to live without bothering about others what they are doing and all that. That is the freedom. You should have your own ways, thinking, and to do something for the country, other people. If that is good, that is the freedom of your life.
Well, freedom for me, I would say like a right to say something, like because to be honest, I study in UK, so like I've seen how different cultures are, and to be honest, like say for example in Russia, you just can't go outside and oppose the government. Over here in India, you can just go and you can oppose the government. You can like start a danga, they call it over here. You can do something and you can like express your views. So freedom is basically like you express your own views. You have the liberty of doing your own things, obviously within the society limits, but still, I guess that's freedom.
तो हमारे लिए ट्यूसडे तो फ्रीडम होता है. ट्यूसडे को हमारा शॉप बंद होता है तो हम फैमिली एंजॉय करते हैं. आज के दिन का हमारा मीन्स हम ये सेलिब्रेट करते हैं फ्रीडम.
Anybody?
Freedom is basically how freely you can think in a country. Like you need not have to think before doing anything, like wearing any type of clothes or doing this. If you are free to think in whatever way you want to, then that is freedom to me.
Okay.
It means a lot. Freedom always means a lot to every person.
Okay.
Freedom gives wings, as they say.
Okay.
It lets you fly according to your wishes. But then there are always certain responsibilities. Those responsibilities have to be taken care.
Yes.
Freedom doesn't mean that you have to bypass your responsibilities and do whatever you like. You have to be into the constraints of it.
Yes.
Well, after all, it's a society.
Okay. Freedom. Freedom is to live free in, to believe in your thoughts, to express your thoughts, and also to reflect those into your attitude and actions. Of course, this comes with certain responsibilities, along with yourself as well as society. So guys, if you really liked this video, please give a thumbs up and also comment below and share it as well. Thank you.